Since 1973, Derex has built over 3 million premium quality sharpening tools, each one engineered and built in our Ashland, Oregon plant. WorkSharp is a proud member of the Derex family of tools.
I'm sure you already have a few sharpeners, but as we all know, they have their limitations. Sharpening with a stone takes a lot of time and skill. The toughest part is holding the knife at the right angle the whole time. And these carbide V or rippers can get your knife fairly sharp, but not razor sharp. Plus, they remove a lot of material. If you get a nick, you end up making the nick worse each time you pass over it. Why not sharpen the fast and easy way? With the WorkSharp, you don't have to be a professional to get perfect results because the technique is built right into the tool. You get repeatable pro results every time. Look at that. Now that's a razor sharp edge.
This tool offers flexibility and ease of use. It's because the belts are flexible, it allows it to conform to an edge, so you don't have to really know what you're doing to use this thing. An inexperienced person can get a very sharp knife or a very sharp broadhead off this tool, usually the first time.
The WorkSharp knife sharpener is a tool that anybody can use.
It's incredibly simple.
Very easy to use.
And to get a good result the first time, for me, that was what really excited me about it.
I've had to warn my wife, be careful when you pull out a knife, they're sharp.
Yeah, I was extremely pleased.
There's no reason not to have a sharp knife now.
When you send your knives out to a professional sharpener, they use flexible abrasive sharpening belts. Now, you can sharpen the very same way with the WorkSharp knife and tool sharpener. The abrasive sharpening belts give you the same precise, super sharp edge the pros get. This technology has not been available at home, and let me tell you, it makes a huge difference. Watch how fast it works. No matter what kind of knife you have, you get razor sharp results every time. With these pro style belts, if it's got an edge, you can get it razor sharp. You can sharpen your hunting knives, fillet knives, serrated knives, kitchen knives, skinning knives, gut hooks, as well as scissors, garden tools, axes, and even lawnmower blades.
Well, there's good products on the market, but they sharpen one type of tool typically, either just a kitchen knife or just a scissor. So we wanted to make a power sharpener that will sharpen a broad range of tools.
Let me show you how to sharpen like a pro. Usually getting the perfect angle is a problem. Not anymore. Because these precision guides make getting the right angle simple. Just set the knife in the guide and pull it through. The guide holds the angle for you. You get a kitchen knife guide that makes it simple to get a 40-degree total angle. You also get the outdoor knife guide, which gets you a precise 50-degree angle. This ensures that you get the desired results every time.
I've used other types of sharpeners, like a stone that you stroke the knife on. I know some guys can really keep a beautiful angle with that, but for me, it just never comes out as good as with the WorkSharp.
With a whetstone, even experienced hunters get varied angles and inconsistent results. The outdoor knife guide comes with a slot for your scissors, giving you a perfect 65-degree angle. Razor-sharp scissors can come in handy. You get a perfect angle every time, effortlessly. Now that's sharp. Okay, I've shown you how the sharpener works. Now let me show you how these razor-sharp knives perform. See how this typically dull pocket knife struggles to slice this rope. Here's one I just sharpened. When you're filleting fish, need a super sharp knife. This fillet knife was passed through the WorkSharp knife sharpener only 5 times. With a razor sharp knife, filleting is a breeze. We're out of season, so we can't show you how well these knives perform on deer or elk, but rest assured, you'll notice a huge difference when you're processing your prize kill. Dull knives can make skinning and boning a challenge, and you can end up losing good meat. Even cutting this lamb with a dull knife is not an easy task. But with the WorkSharp knife sharpener, you can sharpen like a pro and get your knife razor sharp every time. Watch as this razor sharp knife slices right through the meat. Now that's a sharp knife. And that's why outdoorsmen all across the country are getting the Work Sharp knife and tool sharpener.
This tool allows a hunter to be able to sharpen broadheads, hook knives, gut hooks, as well as highly curved blades like a skinner, where a lot of tools in the market work very well on kitchen knives, but they can't handle the curvature, the broad range of knives that a hunter or a fisherman or a sportsman will have.
I actually skinned 2 elk with this in an hour and 15 minutes one night when my buddy and me killed a couple bull on the last day of the hunt. And so I used the Work Sharp on this, and if I didn't really believe in the product, there's no way I would let that thing touch my knife. And I tell you what, when it's dark and you're holding a flashlight in your teeth, skinning a couple elk, you don't want to take time to resharpen your knife.
To get more information on the Work Sharp knife and tool sharpener, or to find the nearest retail outlets, please visit worksharptools.com. The Work Sharp knife and tool sharpener provides razor-sharp performance every time.